Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook. You cannot use this feature right now problem on Facebook. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook application. Tap on Facebook application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps, then you cannot solve this problem. Then you violate Facebook community standard or community guideline. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.